Hello everyone and welcome back to YouTube channel Learning Pocket. So in the previous video, what we have seen, we have fetched the data from the MongoDB and displayed to the all jobs pages, and we have done using the use state. And in this video, we will going to post the data using the form that we have created using the page that is add job, and we will post the data to the MongoDB, right? So for this, let me quickly go to the add jobs.js. And before that, I'll have to make the API call. So I'll just write export const and add jobs, right? And I'll have to use async await async. Then I'll give it as a return of await and axios dot post, and I'll use template string, then dollar, then curly braces, then URL slash add. That's it, I think. I'll also need one variable that will be that I'm going to post it to the database, and that is the job that I'm getting from the request.body that I've made earlier in the backend part, right? So I'll pass the job here as a variable and in here, right? So that's it for the API.js, and now I'll go to the add job.js and I'll create first some initials, right? So for creating initials, I have to write const initials, and that is going to be curly braces. In curly braces, I'll write title to be of empty, then description to be of empty, and then time to be of empty. That's it for the initials. We are updating our form data in these variables, right? So I think this is it with the initials, and next we will create state, and we will be using some functions that will call when we enter something or we write something in that form, right? So I'll make one state. So const job comma set job. That's it, and this I'm using use state, and this will be a in use state I'll pass initials, right? And I'll also have to import use state. It gets auto imported, and now I'll have to write on change function that will change when I'll write something in the input tag, right? So I'll have to write on change function on change, right? On change in I have to pass e, right? After that, I made a mistake. I can pass this as this, and then I'll call one function on value change, right? And I'll pass e, right? So let me copy this and paste it in everyone, in description also and in time also. Yeah, that's it. And I'll have to make this on value change function right after this return. Also, I'll have to initialize the function of on value change. So I'm writing on const on value change, and then I'll pass the variable e, and then I'll console.log. Let's suppose first I'm consoling for showing you guys what I'm trying to say, what I'll get when I write e.target.value, right? And I'll also have to initialize these empty variables to the job. So I write const title comma description comma time is equals to job. That's it, and let me run this, and okay, now I'll go to the add job and I'll inspect it, and I'm opening console here, and I'll clear this, and as soon as I write something here, so it is giving me console what I'm writing, right? So I'm getting the values that I'm writing at every stage. So this is what I have used, this console.log e.target.value. Now I'm setting this data to this states that I have created using use state, right? So I'm calling set job function, and then I'm using this job value, and then I'm passing e dot target dot value dot name to be of dot target dot value, right? Dot target dot value. That's it, right? So this is on value change, and using this set job function, I'm assigning this dot target dot name to dot target dot value. What is this name? This is name, this is title, this is description, this is the name, right? And this whole to be included in curly braces. Okay, and that's it for this. Now I'll make one function for clicking the button, for that is handling the to post the data using this add job button. So I'm writing on click is equals to I'm writing one function, let's suppose add job details. That's it. And now I have to create this function add job details. So I'm writing const add job details, right? And this will be a sync await call, so I have to use a sync, and I'll call that API that I have created in api.js for adding the data. So await add jobs API, and I'm passing job variable that I have also used in this api.js. This is this job, right? And add jobs is also auto imported here from service. Now I have added job. Now I'll let's suppose giving the console of console.log, let's suppose job added, and I'll redirect my page to the all jobs pages, right? So I'll use I'm using the use of history, right? History.push, and I'm pushing it to where? I'm pushing it to the / all, right? I'll have to import history also, right? So I'm using history, so I'll have to initialize first const use history. Const history is equals to use history. History is equals to use history. That's it. And I think it is auto imported from React Router DOM, and I'm not getting any error, right? So let's test this. And this is, let's suppose, Django job. This is a Django job, and let's suppose time duration is for 3 months, right? And now let's add this, fingers crossed. And if I get the data here. I have successfully posted the data using this add functionality, right? And the data is displayed here. If I replace it, refresh it, it again gives me the data. And the best part of React is that, just see here, this refresh button, if I switch to the different page, it won't get refreshed, right? Let's see, all jobs add, this is the very awesome feature of the React, right? So now in this video we have added the data using this add jobs page, and we have displayed it on all jobs, right? Now we have basically 2 works left. One is for edit job and one is for delete job. That is we will do from the front end part, and that we will definitely do in the later video or in the next video most probably, right? So if you like the video, just do hit the like button, and if you find it difficult, just feel free to comment down below. We'll definitely be help you out there. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, make sure to subscribe it, and do hit the bell notification to be on, and do share this series with your friends here. It will be very helpful for making the students to enrich with this Monstack series, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.